Hello, what up, guys? What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your boy, Famous Nelson, and today let's talk about what type of earpiece or headsets to buy when mixing or recording your song on mobile apps. So, in case you're using apps like FL Studio Mobile or BandLab Mobile or GarageBand or Voluphone or even Cubase Mobile, this tutorial is for you. Please, in case you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notified each time I upload a new content. So let's get started. So as you can see, I have I have over four earpieces here with me. I bought different types of earpiece and different brands of earpiece and tested them on different mobile app, and I discovered they all have the same issues, and I decided to share with you guys which type of earpiece to buy and which of them is best when it comes to recording or mixing your song. In most tutorials they usually tell you guys to get earpiece that has a microphone, something like this, so that you can just place these on your ear and just do this like this and start recording your songs and stuff like that. But they are not actually good for recording, and I'll tell you why. In the older version of FL Studio Mobile, if you want to record clear vocals, you need this type of earpiece. When recording in the older version, in the old version of FL Studio Mobile, these are the earpiece recommended, but in the latest version, you don't need them. Even in BandLab, also the same thing, and I'll tell you why you don't need them. When you record with these types of earpiece and you solo your vocals, once you solo the vocals, you start hearing the beat in the background. So the beat will always intercept your vocals. That means this earpiece is capturing both your voice and also capturing both the instrumental. That is your voice and the instrumental. So that makes the instrumental to intercept your vocals. And once your beat or instrumental start intercepting your vocals, you can never have a good mix because the vocals will never sound clean. The only time you can get a good result with these earpicks is when you actually lower the volumes of your on your phone before you start recording. So you have to lower the volume before you start recording to get a good result, to get a clear vocals from these earpicks. And it's not advisable for you to lower the volume before you record because you won't be able to hear your instrumental clearly. And whenever you're recording and you're not getting the instrumental clearly, you can't get the good vibes you want. It will kill the vibes of the song. So avoid buying this type of earpiece for recording. So another brand of earpiece you shouldn't buy when mixing your song or when recording your song on mobile devices and mobile app is the Oraimo earpiece. The Oraimo are made specially for listening. The company made them specially for listening. They are good for listening, not for mixing. So if you're thinking about mixing your song or recording song on BandLab or FL Studio Mobile, please avoid buying the Oraimo earpiece because after mixing them and you play them on devices like this, you hear them sounding like trash because the Oraimo actually filters some frequencies away. So because of that, you might not hear those frequencies when you're mixing your song, but when you play them on other devices, you hear them very clearly. So don't buy the Oraimo. So personally, if you ask me what type of earpiece I use for recordings, you can see them something like this. It doesn't have a microphone, just the earpiece. I bought this one 800 naira. That's not even up to $1 in Nigeria. It's not even up to that. I bought it 800 Nigerian naira, not up to $1 US. So it's very cheap. So this is how to use them to record good vocals. Let me show you now. You place them. So when using this, you'll be using your phone's speaker, no matter the app you're using, whether you're using BandLab or you're using FL Studio Mobile, the latest version, you'll be using your phone speaker. You just connect them. This is where you have your phone speaker. You can see my phone speaker down here. So always take note of this. So once you connect it to your phone and your instrumental is playing, you just have to place your hand like this and record directly into your phone's speaker. This your phone speaker is actually better than the BM800 condenser microphone, and it's also better than the speaker that comes. It's also better than the microphone that is in these earpiece. So I prefer using my phone speaker for clear vocals and professional vocals. You can click on the link in the description below to listen to a song I recorded with my phone, and I also did the mixing using these earpiece. Click on the link below to listen to that song. And This is where I will end today's tutorial. Please don't forget to like this video and give this video a thumbs up.